Alright, let's get real. Nothing is more frustrating than pressing that power button, only to have your PC give you nothing, just a blank screen. Or maybe it powers up, then dies instantly. It's stressful. And you're left wondering if your PC is even fixable. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through every possible fix for when your laptop turns on, but gives no display, or turns on then shuts off right away. I promise one of these tips will work for you, so stick around to the end, because every step counts. And hey, while you're here, drop a like if this sounds like something you needed. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's start simple, because sometimes no display is caused by something minor. So let's go over a few quick checks that can save you a lot of trouble. Make sure your laptop is charging properly. Plug it into a power source, check that the charging indicator light is on, and double check that the charging cable is securely connected. Next, try connecting your laptop to an external monitor using an HDMI or VGA cable. If the external display works, the issue might be with your laptop screen itself. Now unplug any unnecessary USB devices like printers or external drives. Believe it or not, sometimes a certain device can interfere with startup. If you have access to a spare power supply, try connecting it to your system temporarily. This will tell us if the original PSU is causing the issue. And if you find the PC works with the new PSU, you've found your problem. If you have access to another compatible charger, try using that. This will tell us if your original charger might be the issue. Leave a comment below if this helped you out, or let me know if you're still having trouble. Let's keep going. If any of these basics fix the issue, let me know in the comments. If not, don't worry, we've got more steps to try. If we're still having issues, it could be that your BIOS settings have gotten corrupted. But don't worry, resetting it is pretty simple. Locate the CMOS battery on your motherboard. It's a small round battery, usually around the size of a coin. Carefully remove it, wait for a minute or two, then pop it back in. This will reset the BIOS settings to factory defaults. If you can't reach the CMOS, some laptops have a small pinhole or button for a BIOS reset. You may need a paperclip to press it, but hold it down for a few seconds to reset the BIOS. If those basic steps didn't solve the problem, let's move on to some internal hardware checks. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First, make sure your laptop is completely turned off and unplugged. Now, if you're comfortable, go ahead and remove the back panel. Most laptops keep the RAM modules in an easy-to-access spot. Once you see the RAM, you'll notice little clips on each side. Push those clips outward, and the RAM stick should pop up slightly. Carefully pull it out. Take a regular rubber eraser and gently rub it along the golden contacts on the RAM stick. You don't need to press too hard, just enough to clear away any dust or minor corrosion. Once you've done that, blow off any eraser residue left behind, and be careful not to touch the contacts with your fingers afterward. Now go ahead and place the RAM back into its slot, pressing it down firmly until it clicks. Try turning your laptop on again to see if this simple fix did the trick. And hey, let me know in the comments if this fixed your issue. It's often the one solution that many people overlook. But if not, stay tuned. We're going to keep moving down the list to get your laptop back up and running. Now, if you've got more than one stick of RAM, here's a trick: try testing each one individually. Remove all but one stick, then try powering on your laptop. If it still doesn't display, swap that stick for the other one and test again. This helps us figure out if one of the RAM sticks might be faulty. Alright, let's talk about what to do if one of your RAM sticks is actually causing the problem. Here's how I diagnosed mine, and hopefully this helps you out too. If you tested each RAM stick individually and noticed that your laptop boots fine with one but not the other, that's a pretty clear sign that you've got a faulty stick. Faulty RAM can lead to the blank display or sudden shutdowns we're seeing here. And that's it. This might not have been what you wanted to find out, but hey, at least now you know what's going on. You can get a replacement RAM stick to keep everything running smoothly. Let me know in the comments if this was the issue for you or if you've got any questions about replacing RAM. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes and tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.